Hey YouTubers! Tonight we are going to take apart this Xbox 360. My uncle gave me this Xbox 360s and he brought it from Seattle from one of his friends. We are going to take it apart today and I hope you guys enjoy. Easy as a flash. Guys, remember when we took apart the Mac? That video was amazing, and this one is a little amazing. And I've never taken apart a console.
That's what you need. There you go. Oh, that's right.
Okay, I need to turn it this way. Yeah, we need to clean. And on both sides, yeah. So gross. I love Microsoft and Sony both that made those consoles. They're making the best consoles. This actually is not a very good console. Ow! Oh, we unplug it. I didn't see it. 2010, December 2010. I was correct. Look at that. Behold your eyes. Your eyes is going to explode about seeing this. So how it works is like this opens and then you put it in there. Then it spins really fast. And there's a laser that reads it. And there's a sensor that makes it read, and it does this all around the whole player, all around the whole disc. So it's completely red, and then it'll get sent to your Xbox.
And that CPU is what is making all the computations and making you be able to play your games, and it gets really hot. So then it makes this metal thing get hot, and the fan blows cold air over it to cool the whole thing down.
So like it does this when it's spinning. This we got off the fan. Bye YouTubers. Please give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.